So these are the NLG Tether Chokes, and there's 3 chokes in the range. We've got the NLG Tether Choke, NLG Tether Choke single arm, and the NLG Tether Choke twin arm. And all of these are designed to create tether points or attachment points on big, heavy tools. And I'll show you now the application for them. So if we start off with the NLG standard choke, it's designed for tools with a pre-manufactured hole or a closed handle. So the way they work, they just simply choke straight on and create that certified attachment point or tether point on the tool. The single arm choke is designed for large power tools, so something like this SDS drill, where we choke onto the handle. We can't use a drill harness on this because of the shape and configuration of the battery, so we use the tether choke, chokes onto the handle of the tool, and then obviously we don't want the issue of this choke potentially sliding up onto the trigger or moving around once it's installed. So we use the single arm with a couple of wraps of tether tape just to hold that in place and make sure that doesn't move around on the tool. So that will work on any bigger power tools, recip saws, anything like that. So that's the NLG single arm choke. And then the twin arm choke is used for things like straight bars, big tubes that we don't have any attachment point on or tether point on. So we, again, just choke that onto the tool as we have here, and then you just use a couple of wraps of tether tape around each of those arms, and that is going to mean that that doesn't move up and down the tool, slide off the tool. With both the twin arm choke and the single arm choke, the tether tape is not part of the load rated system. All the load rate bearing is done through the choke in the event of a drop scenario. These arms are just here for positional purposes to keep them in place and stop them moving around. And that is the NLG Tether Choke.